What's going on YouTube? Hey, this is just a quick video to show you guys what one of our viewers sent in. He goes by the name of Chase's Coins on YouTube, so go check him out. He has a YouTube page. He has videos up. He shows off his collection. He comes into our streams a lot and supports the channel. And he sent us this package, and we wanted to do a little shout-out video for Chase. Dude, these coins and things are amazing. I don't have everything here because it would be a ridiculously long video. He sent so much good stuff, guys. It was crazy. First, we started off with this silver certificate. And as you can see, it's a blue note. It's a 35E series. It's so awesome. I love the silver certificates. I have a few of them. I have somewhere around 12 of them. And one other thing that he sent that blew me away, guys. I could not believe this. He actually sent this to Snacks. A Morgan silver dollar. I could not believe this. How cool is that? And the date on it was 1889. And it's a New Orleans mint. Down here, there's a little O. You can barely see it, but there is an O mint mark on that. That is 90% silver, and I love the Morgans. They're so cool. Snacks has never had one before, so that is his very first one. What an awesome, awesome coin. We want to thank Chase so much for that. And here's some of the other coins that he sent. There's like a 64 nickel. There's a 55 in almost uncirculated condition. Look at that, MS65 penny. 64, this is a young head from Canada. Canada actually got rid of their penny, so these are very hard to find, guys. If anytime you see the Canadian pennies, hold on to them because they are gone out of circulation. I mean, you can still find them in circulation, but they're no longer making them, so get them while you can. He also sent this 1943 Mercury dime. How insane is that? Super awesome. I believe it's a Philadelphia mint mark. And this too is 90% silver. Super excited to see that. We're going to add that to the collection. And here's just a few other things he sent. 2017 D uncirculated dime. Very cool. And there's a 65 Canadian and an MS60. I think that's a 1961 penny. So I just wanted to give a big shout out to Chase's Coins. Go check him out on YouTube. I'll put a link down below. And I'll show you a little photo of his page as well. And big thank you, Chase. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. And as always, guys, happy hunting.